Hey, what's up everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. Lakeith buys houses and land. So welcome to a fire damage property that I purchased out here in McKinney, Texas. Before you come in, it's been snowing a little bit outside, but I want you to do me a favor. Kick off those designer shoes. Oh man, and let the games begin. First, before you come in the inside, let's talk about what I did on the outside. So I redid the landscaping out here. I made this design right here with these rocks. There's some flowers up under the snow. You can't see it right now. I changed the mulch. I put some nice bushes around here. I did a lot of work. Landscaping was not like this. I got a YouTube piece. Make sure you click the link on that and check out that piece I did on landscaping. It's very important. It changed the whole look of this house. So you saw the cedar shutters or whatever. Now pay attention to the fence and all that. As you come around here, same stones in the front of the house, the river rocks. You can't, like, again, you can't really see the flowers that I used or because of the snow. Gotta change the windows out here on this side. This house is a total redo. It was a tree growing up. The fence looked all jacked up. It was not like this at all. Lakeith buys houses and land. And he's really good at rehabs and new constructions all over Dallas-Fort Worth. So if you have a deal, I want to say this. If you have a deal, let's make it real. If you're watching this on my channel and you're seeing this on social media and you say, wow, like, I want to do a rehab with a real investor that already has finances in place, that already has a crew in place, that could take me wherever I'm at. This is me speaking to you, to the next level, to start doing things like this, man. Let's go. Give me a call, man. Click the link below. Let's go. Follow me on all social media platforms. It's not a joke. It's not a game. I'm very serious. I'm really good, and I'm looking for people that are really good, and we can be great together. Like Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen. Man, we can win 6. Let's go. I want to point out something that I did on the front. I changed the numbers. Just for curb appeal, like I told you about the landscaping and the trees. I also changed the lights. Did a lot of electrical work here. Had to redo the whole electrical system here because it all went up in smoke. But anyway, I want y'all to come on the inside and check out everything I did on the inside. And hopefully you pick up something. Hopefully you learn something, because I really want you to see it to believe it. Come on in. Oh, check out the doorbell. I did change this. Listen to this. Check this out. Let's go, man. Anyway, as you come on in, right here on the inside, here's the living room. I think this is where the fire started, actually. Check out my YouTube videos. I got a deal where I do a McKinney fire damage rehab home. This is that home in the beginning, and the fire was like way right here. I had to change these windows, do some masonry work. I did it. It looks amazing. There was a TV that used to be right here. I changed that. I redid the flooring in here, laminate wood throughout, as you'll see. Redid the baseboards. This fireplace was not like this either. I put this towel over it. I put this mantle. I felt like it needed something. And you see, I cased in all the tile works, just a cleaner look. This is a higher price point home. I think we're selling this home for $370. I don't think, I know. So come on through here. Now there was a deal right here that kind of separated the living room from the breakfast nook, but I cut it. I said, man, we don't need this. I need to open it up, make it look nice. So as you come through right here, again, remember I told you that there was a tree on the outside. It didn't look as good as it looks now. So before, I let up the windows because I really wanted y'all to pay attention to this. So when you set up your table and you're sitting here and you're talking 20, playing dominoes or something like that right here, that's the things I do. Lakeith buys houses and land. I added these lights and this fan, like you'll see in the old videos. It did not look like this at all. Come through here, man, where do I start with this kitchen? I did everything. Everything was tore out. I added everything. Before we get to the appliances, I started with insulation. I started with cabinetry. I started with electrical. I started with everything to make this concept a reality. This house was up in smoke, legit. Come through here, I went with Samsung, refrigerator, everything at the freezer, and it works. I'm not just capping, like this is legit. You could actually make a drink, you know what I'm saying? Classa Ozul. That's what I drink, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, come through here, got the microwave. It's all brand new, not no used products in my homes. I wanna point that out. Like I really do go the extra mile to make an individual feel special. You know what I'm saying? I wanna feel special, so I'm assuming you do too. Anyway, cabinet pulls, everything is legit. Check out this oven, the range, you know what I'm saying? Not like the Rover, but you can cook your food on the stove, coming through like Hova. Anyway, I got granite. I did the black splash all the way up. I didn't just go, you know, halfway where you can see the back of it and say, oh, well, that was cute. He tried, but no, I went all the way. Anyway, dishwasher, come through here. Looks like it's been working. Got some water in it. We'll get that situated. Close that up. Oh, so in the first video, and I want to point this out too, these aren't just those bull jive cabinets that you get where you got to do we had to paint these. So these are harder than the little vinyl ones or whatever, the laminate wood ones. This is legit. It's pretty nice size granite thing at 2.5 millimeters. I think that's what we went with this deal. We changed the window out right here. Come through here. In the pantry, I changed out the water heater. I put new cabinetry right here in the pantry area. Everything's new. Everything's legit. And once again, I want to continue to point out how this flooring is flowing throughout the house. It's not a joke. It's not a game. Lakeith buys houses and land. Hey man, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all social media platforms. As you come through here, I changed the thermostat. Also changed the air handler. So this is all new as well. Anyway, come on through here, through the hallway. Let me hit this light because I did brighten it up. Let's go to the first bedroom. First bedroom in here. Now, I do want to point something out. This did not have these extra lights in here. It wasn't like that. I put that there because I walked in this room and I said to myself, you know what? It seems so dim. Let's brighten it up. Let's feel better. Let's make it, let's put a new vibe in here. You know what I mean? After what happened to this home, I felt like it needed a resurrection. So I gave it that, man. So anyway, come through here. I cleaned up these windows. Come through here, closet. Legit, hang up your clothes. It's the first bedroom. It's for the kids. That's more than enough room for them, man. They don't need too much room. But anyway, come through here. This is the hallway closet for your jackets or whatever you got going on. This is the first bathroom. Let's check it out. Come in here now. I put a vanity in here. Also went with granite over the top of the bathroom. Changed out the sink. Put a new mirror right here. The vanity lights. I changed out the faucet head on the shower and all the components as well. And as you see, I went with the vinyl wood flooring throughout the house again. It's also in the bathrooms. Go in there and check that out. Do your thing. Bedroom number 2. Come on in and let the games begin. So I again, same situation, same vibe. I had to brighten it up. So I did that. Made it feel groovy in here. Carpet. This was a kid's room. And you really should check this out because I did a piece on this, like I said earlier, on my YouTube channel, and this house was full of soot. If you know what soot is, like if you burn a candle and you see like the little black smoke that flickers from the top of the candle or whatever. So there were pictures on the wall. Just imagine a picture here and black smoke covering the picture. Now you leave an impression of my hand. So what I'm getting at is, you know, just because the fire happened in one place of the house, the damages to this home weren't as bad as an individual thought they were because everything was covered in black smoke. So a lot of this stuff was salvageable. It just needed to be freshened up and cleaned up. So it looked bad, but it wasn't as bad. So look out for that. I'm sorry. Maybe I took it too far. But anyway, come through here. hallway. This is the master. Bedroom number 3. Come on in. This had the same play, had the same feel to it. It was dark. Did not have these extra LED lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I put in here. Put in it. Just had this one light. This fan light. I changed that out. Same blinds. Want to point it out. No string. Got to let it up. We did the same thing all throughout the house. I just want y'all to know it's not a game. Legit. This house was. There was some furniture in here. If you look through the video, there was some furniture in here. It was all covered in soot, looked black and black smoke and pictures on the wall, and you can see the impressions and so on and so forth. We got rid of all that, cleaned it up. Actually, when you come through here, right here in this bathroom, so I'll be for real with you. I don't think we even changed the cabinets here. I think we just painted them, reused them. They were, again, covered in soot, so nothing wrong with them. They just got some smoke on them. Did change the countertop, went with granite throughout the house, changed the sinks, cleaned the glass. The glass was covered in smoke as well, but it's glass, just clean it. You know what I'm saying? We did that. Changed out the vanity lights. Same thing I did in the other restroom that I was telling you guys about. Now I added this cabinet. This was not here, but I felt like it should be a cabinet here. So since I'm doing all these cabinets throughout the house, went with a new toilet in here. Shower is situated. It still looks good. We cleaned it up. This is not a new shower. I reused it. Also, the bathtub, it's not new. I painted it. It was dirty, had soot. I painted it, cleaned it up. Everything looks fresh, groovy. And that's just really what it's about. If you're an investor and you're buying homes, let's be honest, you're not here to, you're here to give the best product for the best price. And in my eyes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So we reuse it and keep it moving, man. Lakeith buys houses and land. Come through here. This is the closet. You see all the cabinetry, the lights. I wanted to put another light. I want to point this out. So as you come in, it's cool, it's smooth, but it is kind of dim. And I know how that feels. You got outfits. You go to the store and you find yourself buying a lot of the same stuff over and over and over again. Like, man, I already got that. It's because you can't see it. So I do apologize. I want to point this out about myself. It's kind of dim. I wish I would have added something else in here, but you get the idea. I did the best I could. Coming right through. As you roll through here, this is the hallway. So as you come through here, you see this mirrors the front door with the blue. I painted all this right here on the back. This had a lot of trash back here. A lot of trash. I changed all that. Changed this light right here as well. And like I said earlier, this is a new window. As you see these rocks, these stones that go from here. So just in case, like that is a fence where you have to go to the back and do other things as well. So you can walk through here and not get your shoes dirty. That's important. I feel like that was really important. People need that. So I gave them that. You're welcome. Lakeith buys houses and land. Click the link below and let's go. Come right through here and let's go through the little cabinet over here. The cabinet, the cabin. And there's a big deal up under here. You can't see it because the snow has covered it up, but it's a big stone shaped like a half moon or whatever. But I painted this the exact same color as the house, so it all matches. Remember what I said earlier, you got to coordinate. I got that from Pops, man. Rest in peace, man. Anyway, come through here. It looks good though. We look like money. We look like we're gonna get some too. You know what I'm saying? Because Lakeith buys houses and land. And I want you to make sure you check out my Mamba Mentality YouTube piece. It's very important about time ownership. It's not just about wood colors and wood floors and paint colors. It's about a financial literacy. And I really want you to be a part of this. If you're getting deals, let's make it real, man. Call me, get in contact with me, DM me, please. I'm serious. I'm a real cash buyer. And anything I don't purchase, guess what? I got colleagues that will. I buy land, vacant homes. So you can't really miss me. I do fire damage homes too. What most people scared of, I embrace. I want it. I love the challenges because they pay the most. Yeah, it's legit, man. I thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for being a part of this process. I hope you gain some information about it. If you haven't, I got several videos on my YouTube. Please watch them. I'll continue to come out with new videos. If it's something that you personally want to see that I didn't touch on, that you would like me to touch on, just drop a comment and I have my team reach out and we'll make a video. That way you get all your questions answered. Because believe it or not, sometimes I have times to where I'm thinking about what I should talk about, but it makes it a lot easier if you just tell me what you want and I give it to you. And then everybody is in motion, and that's the way I like to be. So I want everybody to be a part of what I got going on. Even if it's not just real estate, just things that's swimming around in your head helps me be a better person to help get things out of my head so we can all get ahead. Thank you. Lakeith buys houses and land. Hey, tell them what you want them to know, boo.
I want this, buy it.
Lakeith buys houses
And land.
and land.